National Debt Relief features, strengths, weaknesses. National Debt Relief, NDR, is a debt settlement company that negotiates with your creditors to reduce the amount you owe, typically targeting unsecured debt like credit cards, personal loans, and medical bills. Their core feature is a structured program lasting 24 to 48 months, where you deposit funds into an FDIC-insured account each month. NDR uses these accumulated funds to negotiate settlements with your creditors. They charge a fee, usually around 15 to 25% of your enrolled debt, but this is only paid on successfully settled debts. NDR is primarily designed for individuals struggling with significant unsecured debt who are unable to manage minimum payments and are looking for a structured path to debt freedom. It's best suited for those with a hardship impacting their income, making traditional debt repayment strategies unsustainable. A major strength of NDR is its established reputation and accreditation with reputable organizations, providing a degree of assurance. They also offer a user-friendly online portal and mobile app for tracking progress and managing your account. Furthermore, their customer support is generally considered responsive and helpful. However, there are significant drawbacks. Debt settlement negatively impacts your credit score, as creditors are likely to report missed payments and settled accounts as such. This can affect your ability to obtain future credit. Also, there's no guarantee that all debts will be successfully settled, and creditors are not obligated to negotiate. Some may choose to pursue legal action, potentially leading to wage garnishment or lawsuits. Moreover, the fees charged by NDR can be substantial, potentially offsetting some of the savings achieved through debt reduction. The program also requires discipline, as consistent monthly deposits are crucial for successful settlements. Before enrolling, explore all alternatives including debt management plans, balance transfers, and personal loans. Consider consulting with a nonprofit credit counselor for personalized advice. National Debt Relief can be a viable option for some, but it's crucial to understand the potential consequences and ensure it aligns with your individual financial situation and risk tolerance. Weigh the potential savings against the negative impact on your credit and the possibility of unsuccessful negotiations. Make sure to fully understand the terms and conditions of the program before committing.